Good morning, everyone. This is Hadjikyriacos, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 30th of May. Euro takes a hit. The common European currency took a hit during the Asian morning Tuesday. Even though there was no clear catalyst behind this move, market chatter attributes it primarily to a media report released overnight suggesting that Greece may opt out of its next bailout payment if it's unable to strike a debt relief deal with its creditors. We have to note, though, that only one German newspaper reported this story. As such, unless we see more related reports, we doubt that market focus will remain on this issue for very long. Instead, we think that today, investors will likely shift their attention to German CPI data for May. Amid heightened speculation, the ECB is set to appear slightly more optimistic soon. In this respect, Draghi's remarks yesterday did not reveal much. He mostly stuck to his script, reiterating that even though the bloc's economy is improving, underlying inflationary pressures remain subdued, and thus substantial monetary stimulus is still necessary. Interestingly enough, though, he repeated that at the June meeting, policymakers will have updated economic forecasts and will be able to make their judgment on the distribution of risks surrounding growth and inflation. In our view, this suggests that a small change in language may indeed be on the cards soon. The ECB could signal that the risks surrounding the outlook for growth are no longer tilted to the downside, and instead echo the recent view of some members in the April minutes that the risks are broadly balanced. As for today's highlights, during the European day, Germany's preliminary CPI figures for May will be in focus. The forecast is for the nation's inflation rate to have declined notably. We see the risks surrounding that forecast as skewed to the upside, considering that the preliminary market composite PMI for the month showed that German businesses raised their prices at one of the steepest rates in 6 years. Should Germany's CPI rate surprise to the upside, it could raise some speculation for a positive surprise in the bloc print that is due to be released the following day, and thereby bring the euro under renewed buying interest. From the US, we get personal income and spending data, all for April. The forecast is for both the income and the spending rates to have risen from the previous month. We also get the core PCE price index for April, though no forecast is available for the yearly figure yet. The monthly figure is anticipated to rise by 0.1%, which would drag the yearly rate down to plus 1.4% from 1.6% previously. In case of strong personal income and spending data but a soft PCE print, we are likely to see a choppy reaction in USD. We think that in order for the currency to assume a clear direction afterwards, we would need to see a notable surprise in at least one of these figures. We have 3 speakers on the agenda: ECB Executive Board members Ewald Nowotny and Erkki Liikanen, as well as Fed Board Governor Lyle Brainard. We think that market focus may be primarily on Brainard, as she will be speaking about monetary policy, a topic she did not spend too much time on during her recent appearances. Considering that she will be speaking after the core PCE print is out, her view on inflation may be of particular interest to investors ahead of the June policy meeting. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Hadjikyriacos, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.